Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you about an easy clarinet warm-up exercise for beginners and experts. That's right, I just said that. If you're a beginner or if you're an expert, you can use these warm-up exercises to warm up your clarinet playing abilities. Let's get right into the video. There are a few simple steps, and you can use this warm-up exercise and make it as long as you want or as quick as you want. It can take like 30 seconds or it can take like 30 minutes. It's kind of up to you, but I'll go over the steps, okay? Now, the reed on my instrument is slightly dry, so just bear with me if I make a few squeaking noises. I'm also a beginner myself, but yeah, I'll do my best to show you and explain everything. The first thing is you're gonna pick a note and you're going to play that note as a whole note, so 4 counts, okay? Then 2 half notes, so 2 counts and 2 counts, okay? Then 4 quarter notes, so 1 count 4 times. And then if you can, you're going to play 8th notes as well. So for the 8th notes, you're going to play half a count 8 times, okay? So each time is going to be 4 beats, but you're going to go whole note, half notes, quarter notes, 8th notes, just like that. I'm going to actually go and I'm going to play the G, which is just open, okay? Just like this. And we're going to do that exercise. You can pick any note, and you can do it with multiple notes as well. So let's do it with the G, okay? Now bear with me if I do squeak. Let me just go ahead and get a little bit of moisture on that reed. It is a little bit higher up over here as well. I'm going to lower it. Just give me a moment. I must have adjusted it by accident. So just give me a moment. I do want to give you the best example of what it's supposed to sound like. There we go. That's a little bit better. Perfect. Make sure your instrument is set up properly. That's an added tip, because taking the extra, 30 seconds to set everything up properly will do a great job at making you sound better. So let's go and let's play those just like this. Sorry about that. We'll continue. We'll pick up where we left off there, which was quarter notes. And then 8th notes like this. Perfect. So we'll do that one more time. Whole notes, half notes. So 1 whole note, 2 half notes, 4 quarter notes, and then 8 eighth notes, okay? Just like this. I'm going to try and do it properly this time without squeaking, but we'll see what happens, okay? Here we go. Let's get into this. I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know why. I'm just performing in front of a camera, but I'm going to do my best. So let's do this. Again, I messed up in the same spot, but it's okay. We'll pick up again. I almost had a little groove as I did that, okay? So that's the first part of the warm-up exercise, just working out your notes, okay? And like I said, I'm a beginner. Don't tear me up in the comments. I am a beginner, but I would use this warm-up exercise even if I wasn't an advanced player or an expert, okay? Now, the next thing that you're gonna do is work your way up and down the scale. So you should know your basic scale notes for this, but work your way up and down the scale. I'm gonna start off with a C, and then I'm gonna go C, D, E, F, G. Then I'm going to come back down from G, back down to C, and then I'm going to go lower, okay? So just like this, okay? I hope I said those notes right. I don't even know if I said them properly, but we're going to work our way up and down the scale like this, okay? So pay attention. And let me angle this downward so you can see my finger positioning, okay? Okay, so as you can see, up and down the scale. Sorry, I need to start, like I said, I'm a beginner, so I'm better off when I start at the middle, okay? I'll go back, I'll go down and then I'll go back up this time. So give me a moment here. Just let me collect myself. Now we're good to go. Try that one more time. Oh, we're we're not getting enough air in the instrument. So that's another tip. When you're warming up, make sure you're getting enough air. I'm gonna blow, so 2 of my kids are napping upstairs and the other 2 are just hanging out with my wife. So I'm trying to play rather low volume and that's hindering my ability to play the notes. So bear with me, my wife is upstairs with them. They know that I'm making a video on this, so they were expecting some sound, but I'm gonna have to increase it a bit. But obviously, you know, it won't be loud enough to get into the bedrooms, but definitely I didn't want to disturb them watching TV, but it'll only be a few moments, okay? I'm gonna play a little bit louder. We'll try one more time. Okay, so anyways, the point is, I'm not warmed up enough for that, so we're gonna work our way up and then back down. Okay, I think I just redeemed myself. But that's the other part of the warm-up exercise. Work your way as high and low on the scale as you can. And the next part is going to be jumping up and down on the register. So to do that, you're going to be playing a low note and then pushing the register key with the tip of your thumb. It'll jump you up a register. So what I'm going to do is I'll play a low note, then I'll jump up the register. You'll hear the note just jump up. So bear with me, okay? Okay, once again, I jumped up right there. No, sorry, I messed that up. Just please bear with me. Please bear with me. Oh man, this video is not going as I planned. I hit this note by accident, okay? I'm a little bit nervous, but the idea is that you're going lower and then pushing that register key to jump up, okay? Just like this. There you go. That sounds better. I just redeemed myself. We'll try it again. Okay? And then you can do that with any note. It was a little bit too low to high for me. We're going to try that again. Okay, so you hear me jumping up there. And that's really the last part of the warm-up exercise. I feel like I should play a scale and then jump up and down just to redeem myself because I did mess up quite a bit. So I'm going to play quite loudly one last time. Do the warm-up example. I'll do like some whole notes, some half notes, some scaling, and some jumping. So it's going to be something like this, okay? I'm trying to redeem myself. It's not working. Bear with me. Oh, okay, you know what? I think I'm going to end it there, but we'll just do a scale. Okay, I'm going to end it there. Those are the warm-up exercises. I explained them. Probably didn't demonstrate them the best. I probably should have warmed up, maybe filmed this outside in the car where I know that I could play as loudly as I wanted to, but honestly I don't feel complete finishing this video unless I do at least like one good scale. Okay, so we're gonna do it anyways, whether you like it or not. I'm sorry, I'm gonna do it no matter what. Let's do this. That's it. We're not going to take it any further. I can't believe it. If you watch my other videos, you'll hear me jumping up and down, like when I did a video on how to play high notes. So you'll hear me jumping up and down and stuff like that. I promise you I can play the clarinet pretty decently. Just in this video, it's not going well. I have a little chip in the reed that I just saw right here, but you know, it shouldn't affect it that much. But yeah, so anyways, let's just one more time, okay? I know I'm probably going to get torn up in the comments for this, but honestly, I don't feel complete, okay? So let's make sure that the reed is nice and wet, just like that, and let's play. Okay, that's it. I'm going to end it there. I think I've explained the warm-up exercise well enough. You're going to pick a note, go whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, eighth notes, go up and down the scale as the next part of the warm-up exercise, and then use the register key to jump up a note whenever you are doing the last part of the warm-up exercise, just like this. Perfect. warm properly that time. Hopefully you guys and girls don't tear me up in the comments, but I did my best. Watch my other clarinet playing videos before you tear me up, because you'll see that I can play it pretty decently, but I am a complete beginner. But that's the exercise that I used to warm up. I probably should have warmed up before making this video. That would have helped me out. I did all of those clarinet videos sort of as a batch, and then I'm doing this one separately right now because I got a little break, you know, from my regular day-to-day life. So I figured I'd do it now, but I should have warmed up before playing it. But like I said, just please be forgiving. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.